Well, things are looking good for the Amos Her Community Festival in Landisville this afternoon, starting at 11 all the way up to 3, 4 o'clock. Plenty of sunshine today. Temperatures in the 70s, headed up to a high in the lower 80s. And we're approaching the last full week of the summer season, so I have a question for you on our Storm Team Facebook page. The question is, overall, how did you feel about this past summer? Do you think it was too hot, just right, or too cold? If you go to our Facebook Storm Team post there, hit the appropriate like icon, and I'll have the results after this break. Before the break, I asked you how you felt about this past summer, and you did send in your results. Nobody has said it was too cold. 64% said just right, and 36% thought it was a bit too warm. And if we look at the months of June, July, and August and see how it actually was compared to normal, all 3 months were above normal. Actually, it was a very hot and humid summer here in the Susquehanna Valley. Now, I'm going to keep that post up on Facebook through the 9 o'clock show. I'll keep collecting your answers, and we'll see at 9 o'clock if the Susquehanna Valley has changed their mind yet about the summer. So let's take a look at the current forecast here in the Susquehanna Valley and Hamburg and everywhere else. Mostly sunny, or slowly becoming mostly sunny. As we get rid of these clouds throughout the rest of the morning, it's going to end up being a warm afternoon and pleasant and comfortable as our highs right around 80 degrees, and tonight mostly clear down to about 60, and tomorrow just about the same as today, if not a tiny bit warmer, but it's going to feel a little bit more humid. And with that humidity in place, I can't rule out a stray shower late tomorrow, but basically looking at a dry, sun-filled day tomorrow as well. This is how it looks currently at York, and a little bit of patchy fog is out around the valley this morning with a temperature of 60 degrees. And as we look on our radar, you can see there is the precipitation now in southern New Jersey, headed off the New Jersey coast into the sea. Really nothing to show you precipitation-wise in the valley. Just a couple clouds hanging tough and areas of patchy fog as well throughout the valley this morning. Now we'll start it here about 8 o'clock, and we'll go ahead and move through time. You're going to see that those clouds will scour out, and the fog will eventually lift as the sun heats the ground. And then the clouds are going to be relegated up towards the lakes. This is 5 o'clock this afternoon. Then we go throughout the evening, and yeah, we'll see a couple clouds through here this evening because another front is going to approach us from the north. And this front is going to bring us a little bit cooler air, and it's also going to cut back on the humidity after we get through the day on Monday. So increased humidity tomorrow. That's going to give us definitely some showers in the northern tier of Pennsylvania. But as it gets into this drier air, it has to do a lot of work in order for these rain showers to hit the ground. So I think it becomes spotty at best as we head through the late afternoon into the evening hours. And by Tuesday, this front has pushed to our south. We're going to see plenty of sunshine, drier air coming in here, and much less humid air coming in here as well. So in the forecast, if you're headed down to Baltimore for the 1 o'clock kickoff, things are looking good down there in Baltimore. Temperatures approaching the middle 80s by the time you get to halftime. Or if you're headed to Philadelphia this evening for the Eagles game, well, it's going to be warm and sticky to start, but mild as we get to halftime, 76. Of course, you can watch this game tonight here on WGAL as well. As we go through the longer range, the warmer colors are here in orange, and here we are in Pennsylvania. And we're going to go through the week, and we basically stay in this warm range all the way through next Saturday. But watch what happens as we enter fall officially next Monday. Some of these cooler colors are going to work their way in here. I think we're going to see some more fall-like weather with the actual approach of fall. So 82 today, 84 tomorrow, then we're down in the mid-70s, which is where we should be at this time of year, and comfortable humidities. Really hardly any rain to speak of other than that outside shot of a stray shower tomorrow. It's a dry 7 day.
Wow, we could use some rain though.
Yeah, it's a little bit dry out there.
My neck of the woods. All right, thanks very much, Matt.